What?
야, 이.
뭐야? 뭐가 이상해? So close. Yet so far.
Yeah, we gotta go.
야, 이.
Andrew, what's this?
I think we found Andrew shit stained underwear.
Gang,
Alright, I don't know. I guess every gift exchange, we always find ourselves like with the couch and everyone just sitting here. But welcome, guys. This is the 4th annual Neishoku gift exchange. We got all the gifts, and luckily they're not from the dollar store this time.
Hold on.
So,
Jaylon, if you're watching this, fuck you.
alright, I'm gonna edit that out. But I don't know. Wait, so how much? I'm just gonna conduct a mini survey. How much was your gift?
$10. $10.
$10? Oh wait, no. Free? It was free. What about you, Chris?
IDK, because I grabbed random things.
Okay. What about you? Oh, it was $5. Okay.
It's a pack of chips.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright, you know what? Alright, guys, that was the episode. See you guys. Yeah, I don't even know. Oh, we gotta do that big ass rock paper scissors though.
Are we doing a like toy?
Alright. No,
everyone,
shut up.
everyone.
We're all doing the rock paper scissors. This is like the determinant
Right now, dude. Right now.
Alright,
Right now.
This makes no sense, actually.
Shut the fuck up. Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. No crap. No ball. Why did you do it?
The only one.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh.
Okay. We should restrict it. Only rock and paper.
What?
Okay.
What?
No one would pick scissors.
That's so dumb.
Wait, what?
No one would pick scissors.
Why?
Because if you pick scissors, you're
Oh
getting
yeah. No. Okay. Hold on. I think I edited this part out. Alright, guys, we gotta do the. Alright. This is okay.
Again.
Rock.
Why don't we just go 2v2s? Make a tournament of rock, paper, scissors.
That makes sense.
No, who cares?
I know. But before.
Yeah, let's keep doing something that doesn't work.
But before we would do it and we get it like first try. Like I don't know how, but
No question the method. Alright.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Oh! You did?
Can
Oh,
we just
yeah.
do like 2v2s?
No, fuck it. Just keep going.
Rock, rock, paper, scissors.
Oh.
Oh no, Andrew, it's
Andrew.
Alright, no, it's okay.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors.
We're done. 3 wins. It's just 1 win and you move on to the
I
next
don't know, like, how
person.
did we do this to them all?
One
We
more
got it first
try.
try, and then we did it last gift exchange, and we got it first try too.
Because
That's crazy.
we
Yeah,
made
okay.
no sense.
Alright, now we got
One more
rock,
try.
paper.
One more time.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, wait.
Oh,
One more time.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
2v2s.
Okay,
Me and Michael first.
No,
Me and
Manir,
Michael first.
Manir,
No,
shut up.
that's it. You shut up. Now I get to freaking control everything. Let's go. Michael, to me.
Rock, paper.
Michael, me and you, and then between whoever loses between me and you, we move on and move on until
Okay. Alright. That was probably a good
only
idea.
1 win. We don't go 3
Yeah.
wins because it'll take too
Alright,
long.
as tradition was just fun.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. For real.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, Andrew.
Oh no! Someone, you two, someone else, some.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
When it's a bracket, it's a bracket. Come on, move out of the way.
Paper, scissors.
Alright.
I have to wait 3 times.
Rock, paper, scissors. All right, we're done.
No.
Now what?
Best out of 3. Remember, it's the last one.
Oh yeah, sure.
Best out of 3, last one.
Sure.
Okay.
So 1-0.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, one more.
No,
That's it. That's 2 out of 0. That's 2 out of 2.
Oh, I don't play it like that.
And then he decided to go against Manir, which it should have been me and Manir first, and then me and Paul, if that was gonna happen.
I'm making this confusing as hell.
We should just draw names out of a hat.
Oh. I don't know. I don't even know what happened today. I have no idea what happened today. But we're gonna be drawing some names from these.
Yeah,
And yeah.
alright.
Yeah, chuck it on.
Are we doing a raffle?
By the power
Yeah.
of New York.
Alright.
You put it in there, mix it up again.
Why?
Because you did.
Hajun! Hold on, let's see. Yeah, see, there you go. One fell out. Andrew Bird. Andrew Bird's first.
Andrew Bird.
Oh. Michael. Oh, I go second. Okay.
Rigged. I knew it. Rigged. It's like Yu-Gi-Oh card deck.
Oh, there you go. Gay. It literally just says gay on it. Gay. Okay.
Wait, what?
It literally says gay on it. All right.
Waleed's gay?
That's me.
Oh, so it's Waleed.
No,
I'm not even saying though.
I thought it would have been funny if you just labeled gay. I mean,
All right, there you go. Chris is next.
I like Nico since I was last.
Oh, there we go.
Hey Paul, did you
Paul?
see this new Avatar?
Paul's next.
7,777.
All right.
Last anymore.
Oh crap. Oh, whatever's left inside the hat, which is Munir. Munir's next. Munir's next. All right. And 50-50 chance. Wait, is Hajun and Andrew Kim? You guys rock paper scissors right now. Rock paper scissors right now. Forget the hat, man. Rock paper scissors.
Okay.
Ooh, hat.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, no. That was kind of. It was off timing. It was off timing.
The
all right.
referee cuts it, not right.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh, okay. Hajun second to last then, right? All right. Well, who goes first? Andrew Bird. You go first. You gotta pick a gift, man. Oh, really? Okay. Andrew. Oh wait, are there steals?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, it's white.
How many steals? How many steals? Two or one?
One steal.
Are you sure?
Actually,
Yeah.
2 steals.
2 steals?
No, what? 2 steals?
Yeah,
Alright,
to make it fun.
Yeah, 2
But
steals.
no steelbacks? Are there steelbacks?
No steelbacks. No steelbacks. That just makes it unfair.
Okay. And you can't get your own gift too.
No.
Okay. All right, go open it. Whose gift is this?
That's mine.
Mine?
Oh, that's
Damn! Oh, whoa, that's actually pretty sick.
What was it?
Dude.
Whoa.
That's pretty
What?
sick. That's pretty sick.
What? This is amazing, bro.
Whose gift is that, bro?
Wait a minute. There's not actually a coffee maker in there.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what?
There is.
What is? Open it.
It says on the box it's a prank gift.
Wait, it is?
Yeah, it's a prank box.
Don't get too excited. Your real gift is inside.
See, I told you.
Here, show it to the camera.
See, everyone's already excited for that anyways.
And then it's like a coffee
You
and a
won
shower.
$100.
I'm gonna go. What y'all think? I'm going for that.
Is that kendama? Oh, that's a kendama.
Oh.
10 bucks right there.
That's pretty. That's all right. That's all right.
Okay then.
All right. Who's the? Oh, me. I'm next. All right. I'm gonna pick this bag of chips. Just kidding. Screw that. All right.
I don't give a fuck what y'all saying. I'm taking this back.
That's a difference.
I don't know. This is very risky because no matter what I get, I'm screwed.
I'd say mine.
Just go with Hajun's. I'm gonna go with Manir.
Don't go with mine.
Go.
That's
I would
you
say
already got
mine
it. You have to choose it now.
Well, technically that's not actually
Yeah,
a rule,
you
but
looked at it.
No, remember the same thing? Oh no.
no, that's not. That's not.
He looked at it.
I can
right?
technically change my mind.
That's
like,
true. That's true. I
I
thought
don't know.
I was thinking something
Mine's
else.
pretty good, I have
Dang.
to say.
I don't know. I think I cheated already, so I'm gonna use this. All right. Let's see. God damn it, Manir. This is in your room, dude. This was in your room. Dang, dude.
I bet it's not even worth $1 anymore.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
What's that?
Merry Christmas.
Wait.
Wow. Okay. It's the thought that counts. Wow.
The bag is way more.
The thought that counts.
The bag is worth more.
Yeah, the bag is.
Wait.
Yeah. Thanks for the bag, man. Thanks for the bag. All right.
I would say mine's pretty good.
Dang.
That's it.
All right. Who's next?
Wait.
Oh, you. Oh wait,
It's
no.
Waleed. It's Waleed.
Oh, Waleed. It's Waleed.
I would say mine's pretty good.
No,
That's mine.
No,
Wait.
Whose turn is it?
That's mine. That's mine.
This one's
Sure, wait, is it
Yeah.
Waleed? Is it? Remember last year I got
Oh.
Is that peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
Oh my god!
Look at my toast.
All right.
Oh my god.
That's my gift right there, guys.
What's it? What?
Watch it be another toaster.
Oh, it's an inflatable elephant. Damn. I mean, we can. Do you want to install that right now? We can. We can install it right now. I don't
See, Waleed, now your house won't look so plain.
know. Damn.
That's actually.
I spent $750 on this, and what did
Chris,
Manir
you
spend on this?
That's actually.
Yes.
Alright,
Alright,
I'm
who's
stealing
next?
this.
Oh. Well, you have to get another gift now. Steal this, please. Oh no, but there's two. Oh yeah. Oh okay.
I do it.
It's probably a cereal box or something, dude.
It's probably a cereal box.
It's like a cereal box.
It's probably a cereal
I
box,
can't even
dude.
open it.
Dude, just Cali Muscle, man. Come on.
But it's another
Snakes and
box.
ladders.
Oh. That's not bad. That's not
Open
bad.
it to make sure it's actually snakes and ladders.
Whose is it?
It is
Oh.
snake and ladders. It is snakes and ladders.
Oh man. So who's gonna steal
All right, who's gonna steal that one? Who's next?
Who's next?
Paul's next. Paul's
For
next.
your dysfunctional family.
Steal this, steal this, steal this.
No, I don't want to steal that.
Get revenge on me.
Go, go.
Let's take Chris.
Oh, Chris is
Yeah.
good.
I'm scared.
Oh, no.
What if it's another peanut butter jar?
It's gonna be jam this time. It's gonna be jam.
Okay. Okay, there's more.
Yeah, y'all clean this up, right?
Oh, I see candy already. Yeah.
Are you serious? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, the
Wait, wait, no, wait. Fuck. I can't even take it out. Chris, why did you do this to me?
Oh,
It's a mug.
Wait, it was opened.
Wait.
Was it?
Wait a minute.
If we
Is
steal
it tampered with? Oh, that's his tape.
Oh, it's a lemon.
Oh.
And some onions, dude.
Oh, what the heck?
Dude, I can make some
Boy.
pretty good tacos with that. I'm not even
Look at
joking.
this. Okay.
Wait.
Speechless.
Whole shit.
Oh, it's a bunch of
Hey,
candy.
whole bunch of candy though.
It's not bad. No. All right, who's next? Manir. Manir, you're next.
Who are we?
Alright.
Oh,
I'll
I
take
actually
chips.
used for some things.
Are you serious?
I'll take chips, yes.
All right.
Oh, really?
Oh, he opened it. Yeah,
So we can't even steal the gift now.
There's something inside.
Oh!
He wasn't joking.
Wait, what is that?
I should have kept it to myself. Chocolate
Wait, how'd you
Oh! Is it money?
It's $20.
Oh, he wasn't joking. He wasn't
Wait, how'd you get that?
Yeah, how did you
inside?
seal it?
There are ways to seal it. There are ways to seal it. Back.
At least we can steal it now.
Ah.
See?
Wow.
Oh, he
Plot
wasn't
twist,
joking.
plot
He
twist.
actually was worth $20.
Plot twist, plot
What the
twist.
heck?
Yeah.
Alright,
That was
who's
the most
next?
fakest laugh I've ever heard. But okay,
All
who's
right.
next?
Andrew
Calhoun.
Yang.
Calhoun's next.
No, it's not.
Calhoun.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's
go
an
for it.
Indian.
The
Oh, wait.
socks.
That's actually a present?
No, there's something
Yeah,
in the
there's
socks.
something in the sock.
Whose present is that?
It's Andrew Bird's, I think.
We just
Who
take
gets
it.
it? We just can't even take it out the sock.
You can't? It's too hard to take
It wasn't that hard.
Oh.
Oh, it's
In and out. How much was your gift again, Andrew?
$5.
Damn.
Five.
That's just like what? One
two
burger?
double
fries.
Yeah, it's like 2 burgers. Yeah. All right, who's last?
Me.
And
Alright,
you can get
yeah,
that
Andrew,
present.
yeah,
Or is he gonna steal
Oh,
20
yeah,
bucks?
I don't know.
Steal this. Steal this.
I mean, you want to steal your own gift?
There's still this, no?
Yeah, there's still that.
All right, Michael offered this to my family, so I'm pretty sure it has to be. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Let's see what it is. I gotta see what it is.
All right.
It's kind of heavy, kind of big.
That's what we've just
Cute.
Damn.
Bro,
Chocolate?
someone could have gotten chocolate.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the
Someone
camera.
could have gotten
No,
chocolate.
it's actually chocolate. It's actually chocolate.
Damn.
Zam. Zam. Okay.
Huge.
Well, that was
It's.
that was honestly, I don't even know what to say anymore.
Like just actually like just shit.
Oh, it's so squishy.
That's
Is
the
this
thing.
rotten?
Oh, that's not lime though.
What is it?
Or lemon?
I
It's like rotten.
I have no idea
Is
what.
it grapefruit?
No, I have no idea.
Oh my god.
It's a
Just
Are you
lime.
sure?
Filipino fruit. That's all I know.
That's not fair.
Are you sure this isn't rotten?
Like, is it that small?
Wait. Oh no, what? I suck.
Ah!
Whoever brings that gets 20 bucks in return. Deal with it.
Here, let's send
Are you really using the eggplant as like a.
Let's send a text, guys. Let's send a text.
Oh my god!
Whoa.
I came in.
Damn.
Elementary school project.
Let's try to type
I
something.
came out with chips like $20.
Hey, Paul.
I don't deserve it.
Oh, that works pretty well. That works pretty well, guys.
Nani?
When can't you see Paul's ass crack? Fucking shit stain underwear and shit.
Yeah, Paul's getting roasted.